Can't see? Hey guys, it's Chris with Blind TV. Might ask what I'm doing today. Well, I'm going riding this weekend. And the important parts of riding is make sure your tow vehicle's in good shape. Well, I bought some cool packs about a year ago. Thought they were good, they're junk. So I ended up buying a better set in June, and I'm just now coming and getting to it. To changing them out. Now, one might ask, you have a Ford, tight areas. I have fallen in love with a specific extension, and it's this extension right here. Actually, I got about 4 of them, but these things bend 180 degrees. They are designed for tight areas. These right here these will make it break you. Is the best thing. I mean, Amazon sells them, I mean, everywhere. And they are just wonderful, wonderful tools to have. It makes life easier and just gets into tight areas where you're not having to fight a socket wrench and stuff, and you can put your pneumatic ratchet up to it, or your electric ratchet, whatever, to it and get stuff done. But, you know, this is the old Ford. She's a 5.4, 3-valve, but I bulletproofed her. She runs strong and she's a good truck. I've taken her to Washington, to Georgia a few times, been to Tennessee. She does well. But I changed the spark plugs not too long ago, and now I just really need to update the cool packs. So that's what I'm doing. You guys are seeing me work on it. Yeah, the blind guy's actually working on his own vehicle. I don't take my stuff to mechanics. I do it all myself. So that's one thing about it. If I'm able and willing and I can feel my hands around the bolts, I think I'm good shape. So I like to start at the front, work my way to the back. And all it is a little push clip, unclips. You got a little 6mm. Bolt comes out. And I thought these would be good cool packs, but apparently they're junk. Hopefully these cool packs are better. I don't know, we shall find out. The build feels better. Making a better connection. Oh yeah, she's making a way better connection. typically want to try to line it up with the bolt hole. So you're not. So you get the bolt back in it, and it should work a lot better. Hopefully. The back ones are more of the get started and just put her back down where she needs to go. Alright guys, I'm on the second one now. First one. These are alright tool packs, but they are I don't know. We'll find out. I'm not real thrilled with them. The way they hook the wiring into them is not conducive to the way I was imagining. And I think I'm going to go to the furthest one because that's the hardest one to get to. And that's where this tool comes in play. I made short work having to fight wrenches and all kinds of stuff. That very back, because on these trucks, it's real tight. The very back, really tight. Just pull the plug off and pray that this thing comes out. Like so. Well, I like them like that. These spark plugs got an angle to them, and then the plug sticks outward instead of the top, so it's kind of a kind of leery about that, but they're a tighter fit. And we're going. So I can put the bolt back in it, and then I'll tighten her down. And I'll use a 1/4 inch drive to do the initial final tighten. They don't take a whole lot. Once they're in, they're in. The connecting point's about the biggest deal. As long as it pops in, there's a coil spring that goes all the way up into this in the coil packs, and that's what makes a connection. Fits over the top of the head of the spark plug, or so. There that is. Tighten her up with this, and then I'll do a little final adjustment on the old wrench. There's that. And there you go, snuggaroo. This. But this really just takes tons and tons of time off your hand. Makes life a lot easier. Yes. So, 2 down, 6 more to go. As you can see. This is just the tedious work of owning a vehicle. Tedious work of owning a vehicle, you know, when you're constantly, you know, you gotta make sure everything's in good shape and ready to roll. You know, if it ain't one thing, it's gotta be another. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Update, 20 minutes later. Literally, I mean, as you can see, it's still daylight. I got the lift, the driver's bank, all changed out. And it's 100 degrees outside, just so you know. Got the passenger, which is the right bank. That's the easy side. A lot more open area over here than it is over there. And man, having a flexible extension just makes a world of difference. And I'm gonna show you guys even a better demonstration on my next video after this. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into my life that, you know, hey, I work on everything. Auto, even my lawnmower, as you can see. I was mowing yards yesterday, and the pulley seized up on me when I was mowing. So now I gotta go get a new pulley and a new lock nut because this one backed off. So the old Dixon's down. I need to get that taken care of pretty soon. It's probably a tomorrow project, or oh, excuse me, when I get back from the dunes project. I'm kind of bottom on the list. I've been needing to do this. Been putting it off, and now it's there's no excuses. So I hope you guys are doing all right, and just kind of give you an idea of what's going on. maintenance, guys. So if you guys own vehicles and you think they can run 1,000,000 miles without you touching them or doing anything, you're gonna be stranded on the side of the road. It's best just to, it's like I do with my YXZ. I'd rather over service it because oil and maintaining it is a lot cheaper than buying a new motor and being stranded on the side of the road. I depend on people to drive this vehicle, and I want them to be driving something reliable, not a piece of junk. So that's pretty much my take on stuff. Hope you guys are living the dream. It's still daylight. When I said that the driver's side was the worst, no, the passenger side is. It's tight fit, but overall it probably took about 45 minutes to an hour at the most. If you have the right tools like that, it's a lot faster. When I first did this, first time I did it, this is the third time I've done this. It took me 4 hours, just fighting it with extensions and just, it sucked. But now we're gonna start it and see if I did my job right. So hold on. Alright guys, check engine light went off. I figured that's what it was. You get cheap coil packs, they break down, they can't take the heat all that well. And we're good to go. She's back together, running good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of seeing me what I do other than side-by-side work and stuff like that. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to put more videos out there. The next video I'm going to be doing is going to be side-by-side related. It's kind of a much-needed mod. I'm not saying it's a have-to mod, but it'll definitely help the situation out. So again, guys, hope you guys are living the dream. Remember, live for something or die for nothing. I can't see. Blind guy out.